Hi, I'm Madam Pamita, and this is Madam Pamita's Parlor of Wonders. You can find me online at parlorofwonders.com. Well, in this video episode, I'm going to be revealing to you the Major Arcana Tarot card associated with the astrological sign of a Libra. And here we have it. It's the Justice card. So the Justice card, it's pretty evident if you know anything about the symbolism of Libra, where we get that association. Libra is associated with the symbol of the scales, those kinds of scales that go up and down, back and forth. And we see those scales showing up in the left hand of the figure in the Justice card. Those scales have a very strong symbolism. They represent balance, and Libra is all about balance. Libras by nature want things to be harmonious. They want everybody to get along, and they want things to be smooth. So Libras work very, very hard in areas of diplomacy, making sure everybody's happy, trying to bring recalibration if something's out of whack. They really like that. Libras also want things to be beautiful. There's another aspect of Libra, which is that they want things to be beautiful. Well, why do they want things to be beautiful? Because everybody's happier in a beautiful environment. So Libras like that calming energy, that really refined, beautiful energy around them. And they work very hard to make sure that that happens for everybody. And they make sure that everybody's happy. So when we see the Justice card show up in a reading, we can look for the characteristics of Libra: balance, fairness, recalibration, and so on. If you're a Libra and you see the Justice card show up in a reading, you know that's a special card for you, and you can think about all the qualities that make you you and how those show up in that card in the position in that reading. Also, if you want to bring more harmony into your life, more fairness into your life, you want to bring some peace and some beauty into your life, then using the Justice card as a point of attraction, either magically or by focusing on it in meditation, is a great tool for bringing more of that Libra energy into your world. So that's it for our Justice and Libra association. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm Madam Pamita, and this is Madam Pamita's Parlor of Wonders. You can always find me online at parlorofwonders.com. Please head on over there because there are a ton of great resources for you. Of course, I do tarot readings, and I love to do tarot readings, but you'll also find tons of resources for you to learn how to read the tarot, how to do magic, and so on. Check out those resources. Make a comment below. I'd love to see your comment, and be sure to subscribe by pushing the button over here, the red button that says subscribe, so that you can be up to date on all the videos that I send out. I'm looking forward to seeing what you have to say, and I can't wait to join you again. Thank you so much for joining me today.